Hello everyone. Take a palm leaf and then make it into multiple pieces. Taking 4 of the pieces that you have created, join them, attach them together alternatively. Add a piece in the middle as well and then keep wrapping it around and around as such. Join them all at the top and once more attach them one on top of the other. Alternatively intertwine them so that they are lodged in their place. Once you have taken all of them together, push them through the bottom portion of it. Now pull it tight once you are done. This is what it should look like. Now keep doing the same process over and over again until you make a bigger piece. Once again, make sure that you go an entire circle. Insert each of the pieces into the sides that you can find in their alternate edges. After you are done inserting them into each of their sides, on the opposite side, you may cut off the excess. To one side of it, add a little piece of thread and there you have it. Next, you'll be learning how to make this. Start off by taking this kind of particular leaf and then tear over 2 sides of it. Poke a hole through the middle and then pull and push as such. Next, take a palm leaf and then cut it up, fold it in half and then tear it. Make 4 of these strips and then insert them one into the other alternatively. Spread them apart and then in the middle of each of these, push over some more of it. Now insert one into the other as such. After inserting it into place, do it on the other side as well so that it forms this cubical shape. Once you have done it on all 3 sides, open up the top edge, add some food into it and then you may cover it up using the excess leaf that is left out. Insert one leaf into the other and do this on all 4 sides. Cut off the excess. This will make it sure that it is fastened in its place. Take these kind of leaves, fold it into half and then taking the longer stemmed edge of it, wrap it around and then make a knot out of it. Split it by tearing it apart. Use your fingers to do so. Spread it open and it should look like a butterfly. Now, in order to make these rabbits, start off by taking some hair, gather them together and then tie it up as such. Now, make a bigger rounding and then keep doing this. Do this until you achieve the head. After this, take some more hair and keep wrapping it around. Do it in different proportions so that it looks like the body now. Leave small little parts of it aside as well. This will make the hands and the legs accordingly. Now, once you reach the bottom, tie a knot to it and then you should be done. You may braid the bottom accordingly. Next, take multiple of these leaves. Add tape to one of the sides of the leaves and then stick the branch in the middle and roll it along it. Do this with multiple leaves for multiple layers as such. It should look like this flower. Tie it up at the base once you are done. Make sure that it is tightly tied. Now, start off by taking this branch. Tie all of the leaves together as such. In the middle, separate the two and then continue to tie them together as such. You may add some tape as well to do so. Cut off the excess as you can see and then add a stick to one of the ends. Now you should have a broom in hand. In order to make this boat, we will need a leaf. Start off by tearing off a leaf and then tear it right down the middle. Do this after you have folded it, however. Insert one edge into the other. Do the same on the other side as well. After you have lodged it in, it should have a boat-like structure. Now, taking the sharper edge of it, pull it through one of the cuts. There you have it. Thank you for watching.